Ready na si Parang Kuya M. Ang Kuya Michael Tegano, Frida Barabasura. 1, 2, 3, and go! Okay, nung unang kukunin ni Baraka, piece of plastic, which is gonna go to the non-biodegradable open toy. Unang kukunin ni Baraka. Alright, another piece of plastic, which is gonna go to the non-biodegradable pink. May dalawang basura boy. And this time, a piece of dahon, which is gonna go to the biodegradable pink. One piece of trash boy. Leave for dahon. Saan nga ba ilalagay ang dahon? To the biodegradable pink. Palakpakan po natin si Barak, folks. As you can see, guys, kung kaya ni Barak mag-segregate ng basura, syempre, kaya din natin, folks. Sana ay tularan natin si Barak, guys, ha? Alright, folks, at dahil galing pa ng Brazil si Barak, magpapaayon na po siya. Okay, ng mga mom and sir, mga atas, mga kuyas, wave bye-bye ko Barak na po, wave bye-bye, wave bye-bye ko Barak. O, kita mo yan, Barak, magandang bye-bye na sila siya. Alright, na Barak, wave bye-bye lang ni Patrick. Okay, wave bye-bye. Boy, wait na niya, bye, wave bye-bye naman, wave bye-bye. Hala, hala. Alright, isang bye-bye na, bye-bye. Hala, isa lang po isang bye-bye na, one last time. Hala, last time, hala. Folks, sige, sabihin niya guys. He wants to say the show po. But again, folks, we need to highlight our other animals naman po. Okay, once again, folks, that is Barak, our blue and gold macaw. With Kuya Michael. Wala pa po natin.